Hello team. So I am giving demo on the Google Chrome extension. I have created a simple application which is called Bloomfire. Now let's have a demo on it. Click on this extension tab and find Bloomfire application extension inside it and click on this. It will show the UI. The UI has an input text, a button and a copy to clipboard button. So once the response will come, then we can use this copy button to copy the response. So in this query tab, we can ask any query to this application. So let's have what is React.js and press submit and wait for it. So we can see it responds React.js, a JavaScript library for building user interfaces and many more things inside here. As we can copy this by clicking button. So response copy to clipboard. We can paste anywhere, like I'm pasting here, and we can also paste something else other place. Let's change our query. Again, click on this extension, click on Bloomfire, search for another thing like what is the Salesforce. So it will find this what is the Salesforce. So Salesforce is a leading cloud-based software company and many more we can see in the response. So that is all for this video. Thank you so much for watching.